the sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso? Right outside of our hostel, there's this adorable coffee shop stand called Coffee Slow Bar.
Could I please do the chocolate peanut butter?
Can I please do a iced blueberry matcha latte? Coconut milk. Thank you. I'm gonna link these down below. These are the best bracelets. My mom got like a huge pack when she went to Vietnam last year. I had like 20 that I brought to semester at sea. They've been an actual lifesaver. So I'm gonna link them down below. If you are coming on semester at sea or you just have, I don't know, the bugs like you, get this bracelet.
Okay, they can get the bus.
Cheers! Blueberry matcha.
I might have to get one of these.
This is the best matcha I've ever had.
So good.
So today we're gonna go to a retreat. It's like a resort retreat place, and we booked massages, and then we're gonna either take a bus back or get a grab and go back to the ship in Penang. But that's gonna be like a 3-hour drive. We just got into our grab and we're on our way to the retreat right now. The girls are catching up on Vlogmas and the so cute. We cannot manage to get the bus back to Penang, so I'm not really sure how we're gonna end up going there. And the guys are low-key being really unhelpful right now, so if y'all are watching this, do better.
Do better.
Do better.
Do better.
I brought my book though, Gone Girl. I'm gonna read it at the retreat. We just got to the hot springs. I'm at a loss for words. This is actually stunning.
I've been hiding from my pride when I'm looking for a change. But what if I change my mind?
That was a baddie. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There's somebody I like.
Oh my gosh, it actually feels amazing right now. The pool isn't too cold, but it's also not hot, and that's ideal.
So good. No, it's so good.
Wow.
Hey, so we actually have an announcement. We're a couple. I was gonna say baby's ready. We just ate a lot of food, so.
Massage ready. Guys, why is this kind of eating? Like this disposable.
Like disposable?
Disposable bra and underwear? I kind of like it. We are getting 2-hour massages.
Your heart is so to me, and life will always be lovely.
All right, we're eating a quick dinner before we head back to the ship. And this place is really nice. It's just really hot right now.
I'm so happy. It was so good.
Did you have a good facial?
It was such a good facial.
Rejuvenated?
Rejuvenated.
Amanda, Nicole, and I did the same package, and then Kate did the wellness one, I think. Wow, this is a beautiful Caesar salad. Also, there's an egg. I added chicken on top for some protein. So good.
You can take away and we take away.
Okay, thank you.
What is it?
It's a chocolate pizza with like marshmallows, almond crumble, peanut butter.
We don't know how to get home. Where we're at right now, it's a 3-hour drive. to Penang, which is where we're sleeping on the ship. Also, it's raining, so that's why it sounds like that. A Grab is not gonna take us there in one swing. Otherwise, they would be crazy. So we're gonna break it up into 3 sections, and along the route, we're gonna stop, get a new Grab. Yeah. Maybe a coffee. That's the plan. Yeah. But as of now, we don't know how we're getting home.
No clue, no ideas.
It's all part of the experience, you guys.
That's what we meant to do. It's okay.
Anyways, our time at this resort was amazing. I would highly recommend it, and I'm gonna put the name of it on the screen in case any of you guys ever come to Malaysia. Good morning, everyone, and happy Vlogmas day 11. Coming to you live from the fitness center on Semester at Sea. I've been going on this treadmill for like 30 minutes, and the emergency stop button keeps getting triggered, so it restarts my whole treadmill, and I'm just not having it. But it's our last day in Malaysia. I don't think I'm gonna get off the boat today because on ship time is at 2 p.m. and it's already 11:47. We had this whole travel fiasco yesterday, which you guys probably saw, and we made it back home but really late. I was exhausted, so I passed out and slept better than I have probably on this whole entire voyage. But I'm wearing my new Lululemon top that I got in Kuala Lumpur. After this, I'm gonna head up to Lido, grab some lunch, a bite to eat. We will regroup and catch up with everybody and see how their travels to Malaysia were. I just finished up on the treadmill. I'm gonna quickly do some legs using the dumbbells over there. I'm like out of breath, sorry. And of course I'm starving. So after, we're gonna get a bite to eat. It's Sally's birthday. It's late, right?
It's late. It was December 1st.
Celebrating late.
Like 9 days late.
Our girl is growing up. See how good your cutting skills are.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, it helps that it's ice cream.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Why is this so hard to write on? I'm currently letting my laundry sit in the tub for a bit, and before I rinse it one more time and then hang it up, I'm going to quickly journal. I've had this journal for the past 3 years, which shows I really am bad at journaling, even though I love writing, and whenever I do write, I make sure to write with intention. So I guess that's a good thing. I'm not just journaling nonsense. But this trip has taken such a big bulk out of my journal, and I'm almost done with it. I have to show you guys because like there is just barely anything left. So I hope y'all can tell, but this is all that's left, and I think that this could probably get me through the rest of December. Actually, that might be a stretch. Maybe until my birthday, March 23rd. But the other day when I was on a flight from Penang to Kuala Lumpur, I was reading my past journal entries from the beginning of Semester at Sea, and compared to where I am now, it's just insane the amount of people, culture, experiences that I have been able to witness with my own eyes, and my perspective has changed on so many things. I came onto the voyage single, not really sure what to expect, and I feel as though I can walk away from Semester at Sea truly saying that I did it for me, and every single experience that I had, it has taught me things in a way that I didn't even know I needed growth in.
We went to go swimming, and they closed right when we got there.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so I'm literally in like my bikini right now.
Look who it is. It's my favorite person.
Hello.
Also, I booked the cooking class.
Okay.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me text you the date. I'll like screenshot it.
Okay, what kind of cooking class is it? Like, what are we making?
Pho.
What?
Yeah, that's right. Pho. Kylie and I are gonna take over Vietnam. I almost just said Vietnamese. Kylie and I are gonna take over Vietnam, and we're doing a cooking class.
Oh my
I'm
god.
so excited.
That's insane.
What are you doing after this? Are you gonna do work?
Yeah. Are you gonna do work?
I need to.
You could work with me. I have like to knock out 1,000 more words, I think.
Oh. Okay, let's do it then. Look at that.
Chicken pho. Oh my god. Wait, is this everything we're making?
Yeah.
We're making so much.
No, I know. And it's only $38. I know. We're about to have so much fun in Vietnam.
Oh
the
my God.
motherland.
The motherland.
I want to go to Singapore so bad.
I know.
You guys, Singapore is right outside of our window. Oh, there we go.
Maybe you have to like stick the camera on the like.
Oh wait, that's smart.
Yeah.
Yes, hello Singapore. Oh my gosh, that city is so colorful.
Brennan was literally like pointing out everything.
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas once again.